All right, in this video, this is making the tube up art, and you're going to start with a kind of a wavy line. It's not too wavy, but just a few slight curves. On this line, you are going to put about 8 dots, and they're probably little more than your thumb width apart, and then maybe 2 fingers actually. All right. Once you get these dots, then we are going to connect the dots with a rather curved line. It's a half circle. And don't be shy of making pretty decent sized curves here. Most people tend to make them too flat and too small. So I'm going to go ahead and keep rounding. And you're going to do this all the way across. Okay, so you can see in this next step, I've already gone all the way across, and I'm now adding more tubes onto the first set of tubes or curves. And again, make them decent sized. You want to give them some pretty good curves, and you want to curve off the paper. So as I skip ahead, you can see that I have one that's actually curving up and around. I have one that's overlapping the one I'm currently working on, the small one, to the point where it almost fades in behind that. And again, I want to encourage you to go with rather large curves. So you're going to end up doing the entire top portion, and then you're going to do the bottom portion, again, curving it around, making big curves, some that overlap, some that turn, some that curve. And as I skip ahead, you can see that I'm doing all of this in pencil right now with just nice, light exam curves that make tubes. The next step is we will do this in permanent marker, but you need to get all of these done. And again, I encourage the movement of curving around and overlapping. And that is essentially the end of how to do the art tubes.